In this video, we will discuss the meaning of 3 common error codes in air conditioning systems, specifically the codes CH03, CH60, and CH61. Error code CH03. 1. The first thing you should do when the error CH03 appears on the screen is to check the airflow coming from the blower wheel of the indoor unit. If the airflow is normal, turn off the unit and manually rotate the blower wheel. 2. Check the fan motor. If the blower is difficult to turn, it means that the fan motor is defective and its bearing is stuck. If the blower wheel spins freely, it could be an issue with the circuit board or the feedback connections of the fan motor. 3. Cut off the power to the air conditioner and check the feedback connector of the fan motor. If the connector pins are corroded, clean them with a brush. Then, also check the feedback connector of the fan motor. After cleaning the connector, reconnect it to the circuit. 4. If the airflow from the fan turbine is low, the fan motor capacitor might be defective. Replace the defective capacitor with a new one of the same capacitance. Error codes CH60 and CH61. 1. Error code CH60 refers to an issue with the ambient temperature sensor of the indoor unit. In some models, this sensor is installed with a plastic clip on the top of the evaporator. 2. Meanwhile, error code CH61 refers to an issue with another thermistor installed on the copper tube of the evaporator. This sensor measures the evaporator's temperature. 3. Check if the thermistor connector is loose on the circuit board. If the sensor has an internal short circuit or if its wire is cut, this error code will be displayed. 4. The value of this sensor in many units is usually 10 kiloohms at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Replace the defective sensor with a new one of the same specifications. To do this, disconnect the sensor from the electronic board and using a multimeter set to kiloohms, measure the sensor's resistance. 5. Check if 5 volts are passing through the circuit board where the sensor is connected. If not, there could be an issue with the circuit board. You can measure the voltage value between the 2 pins with the board energized and the sensor connected. The correct reading in this case is around 2.5 volts.